Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all. My name is Vinay Kumar. I'm from Ultimate Tech Solutions Bangalore. We have a software called Shop Excel Pro for saloon billing. In Shop Excel Pro, we have three modules: purchase, inventory, and sales. Let me show modules one by one. Let's click on the application. It will ask for the username and password. Enter the username and password. Once you log in, you will get this screen. If you click here, you will get the shortcut screen. This is for sales, sale ledger, daily reports, purchase entry, monthly reports, making the payments to the vendors, receiving payments from the customers, item master, and the dashboard. Okay, let's start with the item master first. Click on billing. Click on item master. If you want to create any item, you need to follow the process. Click on new, item name. If you have any alternative name for that item, you can enter it here. If you want to give any particular code to the item, you can enter here. You can select the group, select the department, select the units, select the tax. Let me add an item, test item. If you want to give any additional information to the item, you can add it, otherwise not required. If you leave the item code as blank, automatically system will generate the unique code for this particular item and assign it to it. Then select the group, select the department, select the units, select the tax, enter the basic price and enter 900. Save it. Suppose if you want to edit item which I have already entered, again same process. Click on item master, find, test item, edit, save. So automatically got saved. Then if you want to enter the purchase, you can go here, select the supplier, enter the products which you are purchasing, I mean the products which are purchased from the vendors for your saloon purpose. Enter the quantity, enter the purchase rate. We need to enter who has received these products, enter the bill number, then click on save. Automatically the stock will get updated for this particular item. This is how you enter a purchase entry. Then for checking stock, you can go here, stock, current stock. If you click on show, you can select the group over here, or else you can select the supplier. Automatically in this screen you will get to know about your current stocks. Click on sales. If you have already added the customer, you can select the customer like this. If you want to create the new customer, click on new, add the customer information. Then automatically if you click on F9 here, you can search for the particular customer. Select this one. In this under description, you need to click on spacebar or F9. I click on spacebar, it will give you the item search screen. There you can select the item. Automatically rate will be picked from the item master. Then after this you need to select the petition, where to create the petition. I'll show where to create the petition before doing the billing. go to HR, click on employees. You can create your beautician names here. Once you create the beautician names will be fetched from there. Again, start the billing. Space bar, facial, tap tap tap. Who has done this? I'll select the beautician name. Now click on the space bar. If you want to give the discount also you can give here, or else click on tab, select the beautician. Then if you click on settle, it will take you to the payment screen. You can enter a payment information against the bill, whether the customer has paid through cash, card, or whether it is a credit sale or UPI. You can select here. If I enter cash as 3000, automatically it will show change to be given back to the customer 325. Then if I click on print, automatically it will get printed in the printer. This is how billing happens in Saloon software. See all the bills. If you see all the bills, if you do in the billing screen, it will stored in the sale ledger. Select the date, click on show. See, today's date have done one billing. It will show all the information like time, bill number, who is the customer, his mobile number, what is the amount. Here also we will get the information about the tax and the total amount of today's sales ledger. Under daily reports you will get the information, and under sales summary you will get how many bills you have done today, what is the amount collected. Under bills you have each and every bills information. This is bifurcated by beauticians, which means under this beautician how many bills has happened, right, which will help you for the monthly reports and the daily reports. Then item wise sales, then see if any sale return. I don't think so sale return is used in a Saloon. Cash report, you have cash amount received today 2675. Likewise, if you have any other payment modes, you will get the information. All reports, all receipts. Here also you will get the payment mode details. Then user wise sales. And this is the daily reports. Purchase screen I have showed. This monthly reports. Monthly reports I'll show you. Sales, Saloon reports. Under sales you have all sales bill, sales by day, sales by week, sales by month, sales by hour, your top 100 customers, sales by beautician wise, sales beautician summary. From you can filter the dates, and if you click on view, data will be generated. Here all the reports can be exported to PDF or Excel. Click here, export report. Can export it to PDF or Excel. Okay, give the name, click on save. Like this you can export all the reports. Likewise purchase expenses, if you add expenses also you'll get it. Vouchers, all the receipts and payments information for the monthly you will get it. Under HR will get attendance. There is a small feature in saloon billing software we have added. Under HR you have attendance. All the beauticians will get displayed here. You need to manually enter the details, like whether he's absent, present, is work from home, half day leave, in time, out time, remarks. You can enter it. This related information can be fetched in the monthly report. The screen for making payment to your vendors. This is for receiving payment from the customers. If any credit sale happen, you can receive the payment through the screen. This is item entry. If you click on show, all the items will get displayed here. If you want to edit any item, you can select the row, double click on that item, you can edit. The dashboard. This will give the information now, bill, how many bills you have done, this monthly bills, yesterday's bills. I want to show how to add appointments in saloon billing software. Click on shortcut screen, go to sales, click on appointments. Want to create a new appointment, click on new, enter the customer name, mobile number, mail ID, enter the service customer requested for. You can enter the notes here, select the beautician which is suitable for that service. Enter the start date and end date, click on save. Appointment is created. If you want to see the created appointment list, click on show here. This is for the today appointment. Want to check for tomorrow's, change. So this is for tomorrow's date. Under beautician name, what is the service required for the customer, then date and time. This can be exported to Excel or PDF. This is how you enter an appointment and view the appointment list. I hope I have covered the main points in our software. If you have any doubts, you can contact us. Thank you.